Create high-quality, interactive courses in minutes with AI Course Creator. We'll cover off the following topics organized into chapter links in the accompanying description, so you can easily revisit any section at any time. Now, I'll demonstrate how easy it is to create an incredible course outline with just a few inputs. On the homepage, click the Create a Course button. This will take you to step 1 of the course creation process. Start by entering your course name or topic. Next, describe your course audience. For example, it might be for an experienced marketing professional with no prior transport and logistics industry knowledge. This step is optional, but will ensure the content is tailored to your audience. Here, you can upload a PDF as reference for course generation. For example, you could upload a syllabus, unit of competency document, a sales presentation, overview of your product or company policies. Once you've filled in all form fields, click the Next button to proceed to step 2. Here, you can choose if you want to create standard, comprehensive, or focused course content. Focused will generate a lighter, shorter course compared to standard. Consider what's right for your audience. This option lets you select the text complexity according to your target audience's reading level. Select the language you'd like your course content to be generated in. AI Course Creator supports over 80 languages. Choose your preferred tone of voice. From professional to casual, funny to dramatic, you can pick from a wide range of options. Then, select the country of your target audience to further contextualize your content. You can also provide additional details to help the builder generate specific content. For example, you can add a note to ensure that all legislation referenced is for the United States, or that all case studies are for the health industry. After completing all the required form fields, click the Next button to move on to step 3. Here, you can choose how the course looks and how students can progress between topics. Enter the category you'd like your course to be added to. Course categories are groupings set by you for organizational purposes. If you don't have any categories, go to the Courses menu and click Categories to set them up. Then, choose if you want course navigation to be free or linear. Linear navigation will require learners to complete each section before progressing to the next one. Free navigation lets them jump to any section. Lastly, choose a theme from our pre-designed course library. You can edit the theme at any time and easily customize it to match your branding. Then, click the Next button to go to step 4. In this step, you can choose whether you'd like to add a quiz or not. If you would like to add a quiz, select the question and answer format you'd like to use. You can set the maximum number of quiz questions or let eBot do it for you. Lastly, you can choose whether students need to answer correctly before progressing to the next question or allow progress regardless of incorrect answers. Once you're done with your quiz settings, click the purple button to quickly generate a course outline. A prompt will appear. Click Yes and wait as your course outline is being generated. Once the builder is finished generating the course outline, this pop-up will appear. Click the OK button to continue, and there you have it. A course outline that serves as the perfect starting point for creating interactive and engaging courses. You can easily add, remove, or reorganize the topics and subtopics as you see fit. If you would like to delete a topic or subtopic, simply click the red button next to it. This will show you a confirmation message. Follow eBot's instructions and click Confirm if you'd like to proceed with deletion. If you'd like to add a new topic or subtopic, simply click the corresponding button and fill in the form field. Once you're satisfied with your course outline, it's time to create your course content. From the course outline page, click the Quick Generate Content via AI button. A pop-up will appear, showing that your course is being generated. This will take a few minutes. Once the builder finishes, you'll be redirected to the course editing interface. You can see how AI Course Creator has generated content for each of your topics and subtopics. This guide will take you through the course editing process. On your homepage, click the View Course List button. This will take you to your course library where all the courses you've created will appear. Find the course you want to edit and click the pencil button. You'll find yourself in the course editing page. If you want to make changes to your course outline, click the Course Settings button. Edit your course details. Add course context. Upload a curriculum reference. And change quiz settings as you wish. Once you've made all the necessary changes, click the Save Outline button. A success message will appear. Click on the OK button to go back to the course editing screen. If you only want to add or remove topics and subtopics, click the Edit Topics button. This will take you to the course topics screen where you can make changes to the course outline. For this one, we'll be adding a subtopic. When you're all done, click the Save Outline button located at the bottom. Another success message will appear. Click the OK button to go back to the course editing screen and view applied changes. Your new course topic won't have content for now, but we can fix that with the AI Assistant button at the left-hand side. A drop-down menu will appear with different options. We'll be adding information for this subtopic, so we're choosing the Generate Content option. A prompt will then appear to confirm your option. Click Yes, and your AI Assistant will get to work. Once done, a success message will appear. Click OK and check your additional course content. If you're satisfied with your updated course content, click the Save button. Another pop-up will appear. Simply click the OK button and you're done. Now, let's explore how to add multimedia, such as videos and imagery, to enhance your course. To start, select a topic you'd like to edit from the course outline on the left. First, let's add an image. On the left-hand side, you'll see a toolbar. Hover on the Image button and select the format you prefer. We'll go with the single column, single image option. Your new image will appear at the bottom of the page. Click the Upload Image button and select an image from your files. Your image should now appear on the course builder. On the left side of the image block, you'll see two icons. Click and hold the first button to drag and drop your image to your preferred location. Next, let's add a video. Hover on the Media button and select your preferred option. This time, we're adding a single video. For videos, you have the option to upload a video file or embed from YouTube and Vimeo. In this example, we'll be embedding a video. Click the button, insert the link to the video, and click Done. Your video can now be added to the content using the drag and drop editing. Once you're satisfied with your video placement, go back to the top and click the Save button to apply changes. Now you know how to add images and videos to your courses. Next, let's run through how to manually add a self-marking quiz. AI-generated quizzes are added automatically when a course is generated. However, if you'd like to add one in a certain spot or want full control over the questions, this option is for you. To add a quiz, click the Quiz button on the toolbar. Before you can add questions, you'll need to save your course. After saving your course, click the Add Questions button. A quiz builder will pop up with two options: Add New Question and Add Existing Question. We'll start by adding an existing question. This option lets you reuse a question you've previously created. AI Course Creator lets you filter questions from categories, courses, and topics for easy browsing. Once you've selected your filters, click the Search button. All questions matching your criteria will appear. Simply tick the box next to the question you'd like to add. Then, click Confirm. You can add multiple questions at one time. A pop-up will appear to show that your questions have been added successfully. Since these are existing questions you've created for other courses, you no longer need to set the correct answers. Click Save to continue. To add a new question, go ahead and click the Add Questions button again. This time, click the Add New Question button on the quiz builder. You'll have to select the type of question you want to add. Here, we'll add a true or false question. Enter your question and answer, and don't forget to set the correct answer. Optionally, you can provide students with instant feedback on their answers. When you're done adding quiz questions, click Save to apply your changes. On the course builder, scroll back to the top and click the Save button. Click the OK button when the pop-up message appears. Want to try out your quiz? Click the Preview button. You'll find your quiz at the bottom of the topic page. Try the quiz for yourself to see how students will experience it. If students answer correctly, they'll receive a success message. Now you're ready to assess how students are grasping and retaining what they learn. The AI Assistant is a really cool feature that will create powerful practical examples, case studies, and scenarios to further enhance your courses. Here's how. On your Course Builder toolbar, select which topic you'd like to edit. Go to your toolbar and hover on the AI Assistant button. Several options will appear, but we'll choose the Generate Case Study option. This option will give you a choice between generating content for the whole topic or for the current topic. Today, we'll go for the latter. A pop-up will confirm your choice. Click Yes if you'd like to proceed. The course creator will then start generating your case studies, and a success message will pop up once done. Your changes will apply to the Course Builder right away. Once you're satisfied with the examples, don't forget to click the Save button at the top. Now that we've added media, quizzes, and a case study, it's time to publish your course. AI Course Creator lets you share courses any of 3 ways. First, I'll show you how to generate a self-hosted course link. Head to your course list and select a course you'd like to publish. Click the ellipsis button on the upper right of the thumbnail, the one with 3 dots. A drop-down will appear. Choose Generate Course Preview Link. A pop-up will appear showing that the generated URL has been copied to your clipboard. Now, you can try accessing your course by entering the URL into your browser's address bar. You can then share this URL with your learners and trainers. The second way to share your course is by sharing it to your LMS via Learning Tool Interoperability, or LTI. Click the same button as before and select Enable LTI. A confirmation message will appear. Take note of your consumer key, secret key, and LTI tool link as they won't be shown again. Once you've noted all details, click the button to proceed. If you're using eSkilled LMS, here's how to publish your course. Go to My Courses and select your course. Make sure you've toggled the Edit Mode slider on the top right corner before you proceed. On the course navigation menu, click More to see more options. Then, click LTI External Tools. This will show your active and inactive LTI tools. Click Add Tool to proceed. Under the Tools Settings section, fill in the fields as necessary. You'll have to name your course content and provide your LTI tool link, consumer key, and secret key here. Under the Services section, adjust your settings to enable grade syncing and user tracking. Make sure you've selected Use this service for tool settings. Then, save your changes. Now that you've added your course content as an LTI tool, you can add it to your course. Choose which heading you'd like to publish your course content under. Then click Add an Activity or Resource. A pop-up will show all your existing activities and resources. Select your newly added LTI tool. You then have to provide more information on your new course content. Name your course, add a description if you'd like, and adjust grading settings as necessary. Once done, click the Save and Display button to preview your new course content. Learners can now access your course through your learning management system. Lastly, you can publish your course by using an iframe HTML code to embed it onto your website. You can do this regardless of the content management system or CMS you use. Here's how. On your course list, select your course and click the ellipsis button. This time, we'll pick Generate Course Preview iframe code. A pop-up will appear, showing that the generated iframe code has been copied to your clipboard. Now, go to your CMS. For this demo, we're using WordPress. On the dashboard, go to the Pages tab and click Add New Page. We'll add the course as a new page using the classic editor. Simply add your page title and paste your iframe code in the text field below that. To check your new page before you publish it, simply click the Preview button on the right side of your text fields. This will take you to a new tab to preview how your course looks on your site. If you're satisfied, you can go back to the page editor and click Publish. Your course will now be available on your website. Want your course to reflect your organization's branding? We've got you covered. AI Course Creator offers a variety of pre-designed themes that can be used as is or adapted to align to your branding. On your homepage, click on the View Course Themes button. This will take you to the Themes list. From here, click the Create Theme button. Here, you can fill in your theme information, add a name, category, theme style, and theme image. Once you've filled in all the fields, click Next to move to the next step. This time, you can create your own cover page. You can upload a custom image with your logo on it, select a layout, customize the title font, choose a different background, and edit Start Course button colors. Click the Next button to proceed. Now, you can edit the course page itself. Choose your navigation colors and footer colors. Click Next to move to the next step. The next step lets you edit the course heading. Choose your background and course title font color to proceed. Click Next to continue. Now you can edit your topic heading, upload an image, and choose a title font, title size, and title color. Click Next to proceed. For the last step, you can edit your fonts throughout the course. You can edit your font styles and sizes for each heading level. Now, you can save your new theme by clicking the button. Your new theme will now be available in the Themes list. With AI Course Creator themes at your disposal, you can create stunning course content that keeps your learners engaged. Running out of storage and generation credits? eSkilled AI Course Creator lets you purchase both. And the best part? They'll be reflected on your account right away. I'll walk you through how to purchase extra storage and generation credits. On the home page, hover over your display photo in the top right corner and a menu will appear. Click My Subscription. This will take you to your subscription details where you can see your current subscription plan and billing period. Here, you can also purchase extra storage or generation credits. Let's purchase extra storage first. Fill in the field with how many gigabytes of extra storage you want. You'll see how much each gigabyte costs and the total amount you'll be charged. This time, we'll purchase 1 gigabyte and click Purchase to proceed. This will take you to your payment details. You can pay with your existing card or add a new one. Once your payment has been processed, a confirmation message will pop up. Click OK to continue. You can see that the extra storage we purchased has already reflected in our included storage. Next, we'll buy extra generation credits. Click the Purchase Extra Generations to start. Click the drop-down button to see how many generation credits you can purchase and their corresponding prices. Once you've chosen your credit pack, click Purchase. Just like last time, you'll be asked to select your payment details. Once your payment is accepted, you'll see the same confirmation message as before. Click OK. Your subscription details will be updated and you'll see the number of generation credits available. With that, you can now create more courses for your audience and purchase more storage or generation credits when needed. Now, I'll show you the ins and outs of editing your subscription. On the home page, hover over your display photo in the top right corner and click My Subscription. This will take you to the subscription page. But since we're updating your subscription plan, click the Payment Settings tab. Here, you'll see your company details including your trading name, billing email, and tax number. At the bottom, you can see your default card for payments. To change your subscription plan, click the Change Subscription button. This will take you to a page where you can select a different subscription plan or switch from a monthly plan to an annual one. This time, we're switching to the Ultimate Subscription plan. Click the Change Subscription button under this plan to proceed. This will take you to a payment page that will require you to fill in your card details. Once done, tick the I agree box and click Continue. There you have it. Your subscription has been updated and you'll see upgraded features right away. If you have a question we haven't answered in this video, you can visit our Help Center for further assistance. We have a knowledge base filled with user guides that contain screenshots. View the link in the description box below.